It's Warpig 24. If you're wondering, last of the tunes in the 360 a couple of times. First off, it's my birthday today, 27th of December. 27th of December, should I say? Now 25. But can you hear? Got it working. Play. I managed to repair it myself, so hopefully still didn't misfire, but it's working. So let's go see what damage it did. Yeah. Still works though. Yeah, you go me. Managed to repair my FP8. Knocked it out myself, stripped it apart, repaired it. Not entirely too sure if I've got the hop up working or not, but it works. That should be a thumbs up. On the joking side, that's my birthday treat to use, my loyal YouTube viewers. And thanks for sticking with me, guys. It's deeply appreciated. And I'm just chuffed. Warpig 24, or I should say Warpig 25, but I'm sticking with Warpig 24. Sign out.